Good morning, children. Today we'll start with a new lesson of maths, money. Okay, children, to buy something we need a money. Yes, money plays an important role in our life. Yes, without money we cannot buy anything. Yes, and in this lesson we are going to learn about addition of money, subtraction of money, one to many to one, and estimation of money. Okay, let's start with the addition of money. Okay, see here they have given few examples here. Example 1 is 58 rupees and 70 paise plus 28 rupees and 25 paise. Okay, children, we know that 1 rupee means 100 paise. Yes, 1 rupee means 100 paise. Yes, this we have learnt in the 3rd standard. Yes, now see here they have asked 58 rupees and 70 paise plus 28 rupees and 25 paise. Here we need to add paise and rupees. Okay, keep the rupees one side and paise one side like this. Yes, this is rupees and this is paise. First number is 58 rupees and 70 paise, and second one is 28 rupees and 25 paise. Add the rupees first, add the paise first, then add rupees. Okay, 0 plus 5 is 5, 7 plus 2 is 9. Yes, 8 plus 8 is 16, 1 carry over here, and 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So total rupees are 86 rupees and 95 paise. Okay, see here 86 rupees and 95 paise. Okay, between rupees and paise dot will be given. Okay, this means 86 rupees and 95 paise. Rupees symbol is this. Yes, rupees symbol is this, and it is written as 86.95. This means 86 rupees 95 paise. Okay, paise is written as only small p. Okay, now see next example. 28 rupees and 75 paise plus 31 rupees and 50 paise. We need to add the paise together and rupees together. Okay, keep the rupees in one column and paise in one column and add the numbers. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10, so 1 carry over here. Above this 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10. This carry over should be carried to the rupees. Okay, then 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus this carry over 1 10. Okay, so it is a simple addition only. So 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry over here, then 3 plus 3 6. Okay, these two 1 carry over 3 and these 3 6. Okay, add paises first, then rupees, and answer should be written like this also, or else you can put dots like this, dot like this and write, but you should write this symbol before you write the rupees. Okay, that is in number. Now children, what you will do, you will solve these 4 sums. These are easy sums. It is a simple addition. Okay, only you need to write the rupees and paise like this and put a column like this. Okay, solve these sums and send. Now see second one, solve these word problems. See first one, a pencil box cost 25 rupees and 50 paise and a notebook cost 50 rupees and 25 paise. How many money is needed to pay for both? Okay, see here a pencil box cost 25 rupees and 50 paise and notebook cost 15 rupees and 25 paise. Now how many rupees in total we need to find out to buy both the things, how many rupees are needed, that we need to write here. Okay, so how we will write this? You need to write in your notebook. Okay, first children, write the question here, then write the solution in your notebook. Okay, here I am going to solve directly the solution. Okay, cost of pencil box is equal to rupees, you need to write this. Okay, rupees 25.50, or else write this rupees here and paise like this here, and put a line here like this. Okay, cost of pencil box is equal to 25 rupees 50 paise. Then cost of notebook is equal to 15 rupees 25 paise. Put a addition sign here. Then add the numbers. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 carry over here. Write this 0 here. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. So total cost is equal to 40 rupees 75 paise. Okay, write like this. Okay, and one more sum they have given on addition of money. Solve this sum. Okay, now we'll see about subtraction of money. Okay, it is also some simple subtraction only, children. Only you need to write the rupees and paise in a column and subtract the numbers. Okay, see your example. 58 rupees and 70 paise minus 21 rupees and 25 paise. Keep these rupees and paise in their columns and subtract the numbers. Okay, here 0 plus 5 is not possible because 0 is bigger than 5 is bigger than 0. So what we need to do, cancel this and carry over here and make it 10, and here 1 less, that is 6. Yes, 10 minus 5 is 5 and 6 minus 2 is 4. Yes, 8 minus 1 is 7 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So 58 rupees 70 paise minus 21 rupees 25 paise is equal to 37 rupees and 45 paise. Okay, we need to subtract the paises first, then rupees. Okay, then write the answer. Here one more example they have given. 48 rupees and 25 paise minus 31 rupees and 50 paise. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract the numbers here. Subtract the rupees, okay, not numbers. 48 rupees 25 paise, write down here. Then 31 rupees and 50 paise here. Then subtract the numbers. 5 minus 0 is 5 only. Yes, 2 minus 5 is not possible, so we need to carry over here. Yes, cancel this and carry over here, and in the next column, that is in rupees column, we need to make 1 less, that is 4 we need to write here. Okay, so it should be 47 rupees and 125 paise like this. Okay, 5 minus 0 is 5 only. Then 12 minus 5 will be 7. Then 7 minus 1 will be 6 and 4 minus 3 will be 1. Okay, subtract the paises first, then rupees. Okay, give the carryovers if necessary. Okay, now remaining sums A, B, C, D you will solve and send. Now in the second exercise, solve these word problems. Word problems of subtraction of money they have given. We need to solve this and write the answer. You need to solve this in the notebook. See, A1 is Sonali had a 100 rupees note. She buys a book for 65 rupees. How much money is left after paying for the book? Okay, see here Sonali had 100 rupees note. Okay, and she buys book for 65 rupees. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find out that how many rupees left with her. For this, what we need to do, write the question first in your notebook, then solve the sum. Okay, solution is total money Sonali had is equal to, in this problem children, only rupees they have given and not paise. So directly write here rupees 100. Okay, total money Sonali had is equal to 100 rupees. Okay, no need to put the column here. Okay, next, cost of book is equal to rupees 65. Put a subtraction sign and solve the sum. Okay, you cannot subtract 5 from 0. Yes, carry over, make it 10, then this carry over here 9 will come. Okay, this we have learnt. Yes, 10 minus 5 will be 5, 9 minus 6 will be, and here 0. Okay, the previous number 1 less. 9 minus 6 will be 3. Yes, so money left with Sonali is equal to rupees 35. Okay, solve this B sum. Okay, and send. Now in the next page, story problems of addition and subtraction money. Children, what you have to do, you have to read the questions, these questions carefully, and you have to recall the terms or words used in subtraction and addition, and find out that which sum is subtraction and which is addition, and you have to solve. Okay, see here one I am going to solve here. First one, A1. A construction company bought a cement bag for 433 rupees and 80 paise and bricks for 541 rupees and 40 paise. Now question is, how much did the company spend on these supplies? See here children, a construction company bought a cement bag for 433 rupees and 80 paise. They have bought cement for 433 rupees and 80 paise and bricks for 541 rupees and 40 paise. Now the first question is, how much did the company spend on these supplies? How much money they spend on cement and brick we need to find out. For this, what we need to do? We need to add these numbers. Yes, to find out how much total money on cement and bricks they have spent. Okay, now second question is, how much more did they pay for bricks than for the bag of cement? Yes, see here children, for cement for 433 rupees and 80 paise they have spent, and for bricks 541 rupees and 40 paise they have spent. So for bricks they have spent more money. Yes, now we need to find out how much more did this pay for bricks than the cement. For this, what we need to do? We need to subtract the numbers. If we subtract the numbers, we will get the answer, that is how much more did they pay for bricks. Okay, let's solve this. Write solution. First one is, write the question and then write the answer. Okay, first one, cost paid for cement is equal to, put a column here, rupees here, and write the paises here. Okay, cost paid for cement is equal to 433 rupees and 80 paise, and cost paid for bricks is equal to 541 rupees and 40 paise. Add the numbers now. Okay, 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 4 12, 2 here and 1 in the carry over place. Okay, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 5 9. So total money paid for cement and bricks is equal to 975 rupees and 20 paise. Okay. Now second question is, how much more money they have spent on bricks than the cement. Okay, right here, money paid for bricks is equal to 541 rupees and 40 paise. Here rupees and paise. Then money paid for cement is equal to 433 rupees and 80 paise. Then subtract the numbers here. 0 minus 0 is 0. Here 4 is smaller than 8, so carry over, make it 14, and this as 10. Okay, so 14 minus 8 is 6, and 10 minus 3 will be 7. 4 minus 3 is 1, and 5 minus 4 is 1. So 170 rupees and 17 rupees and 60 paise more they have paid for bricks than the cement. Okay, write the sentence and finish it. Okay, and remaining sums from page number 118, solve this all the sums and story sums and send me. Okay, thank you.